Mountain View Lane in the beautiful gated community of Walnut Springs has a beautiful level to rolling 13.55 acre parcel that is the perfect place to build your forever home. Open and wooded lot. HOA restrictions do apply and fees of $495 a year, which is waived the first year. The astonishing long-range views of Monroe County and Peters Mountain is available from every point. Enjoy the amenities of Walnut Spring with the community lodge and pond area, truly a relaxation of fishing and picnics. Underground utilities. Located within 25 miles to the Greenbrier, Lewisburg and the activities of the Greenbrier River and New River.